I'm going to digitize a paper diagram of a soaring eagle. I printed out the eagle full size. I'm using Logic Trace 2018 and I'm going to select tracing. This eagle's going to look good because he's actually in flight. It's just a matter of tracing out all the parts. I've decided to cut this eagle out of 1/8 inch plywood. It's called a birch skin. And then I'm also going to use the same diagram. I'm just going to shrink it down a bit. I'm going to cut that out of black acrylic. I always mention here that I use a red pencil to mark off where I've started. It also helps to show what I've traced, because if the diagram gets quite detailed, you can get mixed up and end up tracing something twice. Another point here, the program has a built-in edit command. So if you do trace something twice or you make a mistake, just go to the edit command, toggle over to that spot, delete it, and retrace it. Easy. The birch plywood I used to cut the eagle out of, it's about 34 inches long and it's about 18 inches wide. This particular laser will handle a 39-inch piece, 24 inches wide. Getting close here now to finishing up with the tracing. I'll save my file. I'm going to take that DXF file, I'm going to load it into Vectric Aspire 11.0, check the vector quality, and see if there's any node editing required. A quick point here is that I'm not going to be creating a toolpath while I'm in Vectric Aspire 11.0 because this is for a laser. I just need the finished DXF file. I'm using a 150 watt CO2 laser. I'm running at about 74% power and about 0.47 speed. It's doing a real clean cut. Shown here, I've set up to cut the 1/4 inch black acrylic. I'm running at about 90% power, about 0.47 speed. This is the finished cut. Looks good. This is the 1/8 inch birch plywood. Shown here, I've sprayed it black. These pictures here are the 1/4 inch black acrylic. Looks really good. Very rich looking. I'm happy with the eagle cuts.